Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing great. Today I'm unboxing a multi-platform Bluetooth keyboard Targus KB55. It comes with a super slim design and is compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS and Android. The company offers a 3-year limited warranty for this keyboard. Install 2 AAA batteries by removing the battery cover located on the bottom of the keyboard. Establish pairing by turning on the keyboard by sliding the power button to the on position. Turn on Bluetooth function of device and select multi-platform Bluetooth keyboard. You are ready to go. Here's the list of the multi-function keys the keyboard supports.
FN plus escape to go to home. FN plus F3 to open the virtual keyboard. FN plus F4 to take a screenshot. FN plus F5 to search. FN plus F8 to play or pause a track. FN plus F9 for going to the next track. FN plus F11 for volume down. FN plus F12 for volume up. And FN plus delete for locking the screen.
It is quite a cool and budget-friendly accessory for any compatible device. I find it really awesome. If you find the video useful, consider liking the video. Drop comments for any query and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll surely catch you in the next video. Bye.